In an era where security has become paramount, a question arises: how advanced is the current state of surveillance and security cameras? Well, the answer is as advanced as PTZ CCTV cameras. These pan-tilt-zoom cameras have revolutionized the surveillance world and offer capabilities far beyond traditional static cameras. PTZ, standing for pan, tilt, and zoom, are the three pivotal functions that distinguish these cameras. They can pan, moving horizontally, tilt, moving vertically, and zoom in or out, offering a broader field of view and superior monitoring capabilities. There are different types of PTZ CCTV cameras, each tailored for specific needs. Dome PTZ cameras, for instance, are subtle and predominantly used indoors. They offer a sweeping 360-degree view, making them perfect for monitoring expansive spaces. Bullet PTZ cameras, on the other hand, are designed for the outdoors and are recognized for their robustness. They boast a long-range zoom and are ideal for monitoring entrances and perimeters. Speed Dome PTZ cameras are impressively swift, allowing for rapid movement and tracking of objects. They're commonly utilized in scenarios requiring real-time tracking, such as casinos or traffic monitoring. However, not all PTZ CCTV cameras are created equal. Several quality factors come into play. Resolution is paramount. High-resolution cameras capture finer details. Cameras offering full HD or 4K resolution provide clearer images. A camera with an optical zoom function ensures superior image quality when zooming in, which is crucial for identifying people or objects from afar. Good low-light performance is vital for night surveillance. Cameras equipped with infrared LEDs can capture images even in complete darkness. Faster pan and tilt speeds are essential for tracking fast-moving objects. And if you're considering outdoor cameras, ensure they're weatherproof to withstand harsh conditions. But why are PTZ CCTV cameras so important? Firstly, they offer enhanced coverage. PTZ cameras can cover a large area and zoom in to focus on specific details, thereby reducing the need for multiple fixed cameras. They also serve as an active deterrence. PTZ cameras can deter potential intruders by tracking their movements and capturing high-quality footage for later identification. PTZ cameras can also be controlled remotely, allowing security personnel to respond quickly to incidents, even from a distance. And while they may have a higher initial cost, PTZ cameras can replace several fixed cameras, reducing long-term expenses and providing cost efficiency. Incorporating PTZ CCTV cameras into your security system can significantly enhance your surveillance capabilities. Understanding the types, quality factors, and the necessity of PTZ cameras will help you make informed decisions when selecting the right cameras for your specific security needs. Investing in PTZ CCTV cameras is an investment in comprehensive, efficient, and proactive security. It's an investment in peace of mind.